Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here. I just wanted to do a really quick video to show you guys. I went to Hobby Lobby today, and if you saw my flip through video of this RongRong Happy Planner, I found these, but then I saw that Hobby Lobby, let me take this off so you can see it. It says Hobby Lobby edition. So I wanted to do a real quick comparison to show you guys what the difference is. This one I got from the Mambi website, and this one is Hobby Lobby. So let me take this off here. I think the first thing you'll notice is I think this girl was holding like an alcoholic beverage. So I'm assuming that this planner is going to be mostly obsolete of any alcohol or anything like that. So let's see what the Hobby Lobby edition looks like. Okay, so I'm assuming that all of this is going to be the same. So now these two girls are different. This is crooked, sorry. And let's see what's in here. I'm just mainly looking at the illustrations to see what the difference is in the illustrations. So you can see these two are different here. So then let's see, February is the same. The illustration is the same. So now March is probably going to be the same. Yep. The illustration is the same. So now April. Okay, April is the same. Okay. Now May. May is probably going to be the same too. So it's not a whole lot of difference in the planners, just the illustrations, like I said, don't have the alcohol. So now June, gonna be the same. I don't know, I guess that's not considered alcohol maybe, I don't know. We'll see what the rest of them look like. So these are the same. July. Same. Okay. August. Alright, so this is the Mambi one. Yes. And there is a beverage here in her hand. The Hobby Lobby one, there's not. Sorry, these are crooked. My camera must be crooked. I just threw this together really quick for you guys. You can see the girl's shirt is different, the skirt's different here, but other than basically the drink, there's not much of a difference. So let's look at the illustration. Now there's the drink in her hand, and no drink in her hand. Okay, September. September looks the same. Oh gosh, it's right there, y'all. And September's the same here. October. Same thing. There's no drink in her hand. Same thing here. So it's looking like that's pretty much the only difference other than the girl's shirt. Now November, the girl's totally different here. But the look is still the same. It's just the girl. It's a different girl. So yeah, different girls here. And then December. Same. One more illustration. Okay, So actually she's holding something here and it's cut off on this one. So not a whole lot of difference in the Mambi RongRong version and the Hobby Lobby version, other than, like I said, the alcoholic beverages. So I just wanted to get on here. I knew that there probably was a difference. So if you are buying online, you want to make sure, like if you're buying from Mercari or anywhere like that, look for this red writing that says Hobby Lobby Edition if you prefer to have the drinks in the girls' hands. So that's it for this video. Like I said, I wanted to get on here real quick, show you guys the difference. So hopefully you enjoyed, and if you did, you'll give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll consider, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye.